Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to change your Mac into this dark theme right here. So right now this is Finder, so you guys can see, and it's all very dark. Everything in my Mac is kind of dark, and that's the way I like it. It's easier on my eyes, it's pretty cool. Anyways, what you guys have to have first of all is the latest Mac OS. So that's this one right here. So make sure to upgrade right now. If you guys have done that already, so let's just go into System Preferences. So that's down here below. You guys should see something like this where it says System Preferences. Or you guys will find it in your Spotlight search. So that's up here in the right hand corner. You guys should see this icon. Just click on it. Once you guys click on it, you guys can just type in here System Preferences, and you guys should see the very first option where it says that. So just open it up. Once you guys have that opened up, right here you guys should see all these options. It's actually the very first one where it says General. So just click right there under General. And you guys should see this appearance. That's the very first option once again. So you guys have from light to dark. So if I zoom out to show you what happens. Alright, so I have dark to light. So if I change it up to light, you guys should see that everything becomes normal, just like it was before. However, with the dark theme, if you guys click on it, everything's gonna turn a little bit dark. So that's pretty cool. I do suggest using it just because it's easier on the eyes. Not for everybody, but it's pretty cool. That would be it for this tutorial. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.